What if I told you that your heart is much more than a simple pump? This tiny organ in your chest is a masterpiece of design, a relentless worker that never stops, an engine driving every second of your life. Beyond simply keeping you alive, your heart has powers that may surprise you. Today we're diving deep into the mysteries of the human heart, exploring its intricate design, powerful functions, and lesser-known capabilities that make it one of the most astonishing parts of the human body. Let's take a closer look at this unsung hero within us all. At the core, the heart is a four-chambered muscle about the size of your fist, yet it wields tremendous power. Each heartbeat begins in the upper two chambers, the atria, and ends in the lower chambers, the ventricles, creating a coordinated, rhythmic flow. Think of it as a perfectly synchronized team effort, with each chamber playing its own role but working in harmony for a single purpose: to keep you alive. The heart's valves act as one-way doors, ensuring blood moves in only one direction. With every contraction, oxygen-rich blood leaves the heart to nourish organs, muscles, and tissues throughout the body. In just one day, your heart will pump nearly 2,000 gallons of blood. That's enough to fill over 30 bathtubs. But how does this organ beat with such precision? The answer lies in its incredible electrical system. At the top of your heart is a small bundle of cells known as the sinoatrial node, or sun node, often called the heart's natural pacemaker. This little cluster generates an electrical impulse that travels through the heart, commanding it to beat. Even more remarkable is that this electrical impulse allows the heart to beat on its own, independent of the brain. In fact, the heart can continue to beat briefly even outside the body, a testament to its resilience and independence. This innate rhythm makes the heart one of the only organs capable of sustaining itself without direct input from the nervous system. Now, let's follow the blood on its journey through the body. Blood enters the right side of the heart from veins carrying oxygen, pour blood back from the body. From here, it's pumped to the lungs, where it picks up fresh oxygen. This newly oxygenated blood then returns to the left side of the heart, ready to fuel your body's need. The heart is the starting point of this incredible journey, pumping with enough force to move blood through a system of vessels that, if stretched end to end, would wrap around the earth twice. This constant circulation is how your body receives oxygen and nutrients, maintains temperature, and removes waste. It's a delicate balance that keeps you thriving, even when you don't think twice about it. The heart is also deeply connected to our emotions. Have you ever felt your heart race when you're excited, or slow down when you're relaxed? This isn't just coincidence, it's the result of how our body interprets and reacts to emotions. When we experience stress, our heart rate increases, sending more oxygen to our muscles so we can react quickly. And when we feel joy or love, chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin interact with our heart, bringing about a sense of calm and even influencing heart rhythms. This emotional connection makes the heart not only a physical marvel but also a window to our inner selves. It's fascinating to think that a simple organ like the heart can play such a role in how we experience life's moments, shaping not just our physical state but our mental and emotional landscapes as well. While we know a lot about the heart, there are still mysteries we're only beginning to uncover. For instance, heart rate variability, small fluctuations in the time between each beat, can provide clues about our overall health and resilience to stress. Those with higher heart rate variability tend to have better cardiovascular health and greater adaptability to life's ups and downs. Another mystery is the heart's ability to remember. This doesn't mean memories in the way the brain stores them, but it can adjust its responses based on repeated experiences. For example, the heart can become more efficient with regular physical training, adjusting its beats to conserve energy. This adaptability reveals just how finely tuned and responsive our hearts are, adapting to our needs without us ever noticing. The heart is more than a muscle, it's a marvel of biology, a constant companion, and a bridge between body and mind. From the continuous rhythm of each beat to its profound connection with our emotions, the heart quietly supports every aspect of our lives. It's an organ that not only sustains life but shapes how we experience it. So next time you feel that quickened beat in a moment of joy or the calm pulse in moments of peace, remember your heart is more than just a pump. It's a dynamic, adaptive, and mysterious marvel that deserves our appreciation and care. Let's celebrate this incredible organ that does so much without asking for anything in return.